Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we had seen US market correcting yesterday, but Asian markets are comparatively strong. US market corrections was driven by comment from their Fed chief, which has indicated concerns about inflation and slowing growth. Whereas the key reason also was that Nvidia came off very sharply, which was down in the earlier trade. And as we said yesterday, there were specific reasons for the company to export one type of chip to China. And that has resulted into decline in Nasdaq and also the overall market in US. Whereas if we see Asian markets are showing comparatively better trend. And also if we see the commodities are seeing some relief, some bounce back are seen in various commodities. Oil is up by around $2. Iron ore is also up by $1, 1%. And copper and aluminums are also showing sign of improvement. So the expectations for the US and China coming on table are increasing, and that is putting some favorable indications on the Asian markets. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. See, yesterday Nifty managed to sustain the 23,400 and above closing. Today we expect a flattish negative side, but we see the important support zone for Nifty 23, 370, 2350 at downside, and majorly support place around 23,300. Till the date, we expect this momentum to be continue in positive side. If Nifty open a down around 30, 40 points, maybe 60 points, again Nifty take that support, and upside first immediate resistance place around 23 500 and 23 600 in next majorly resistance for index. So today we expect flattish to negative open, but we closely watch first half an hour if Nifty again managed to sustain 23 400 and trading above this range, then we expect again upside towards 23 600 and above range. Bank Nifty also trading the yesterday given a good rally, and we see some positive side today also. First immediate resistance for Bank Nifty is 53,340 and 53,600 and next majorly resistance for Bank Nifty. First support place around 50 to 500, and below that 50 to 240 is a major support for Bank Nifty. Both index trading above the important support zone, and we expect this momentum to be continue in positive side. Stock specific Chola Fin looks positive. Havells also given a good rally yesterday, and we expect this rally to be continue in positive side. Vedanta also given a good breakout around 398 above range, and again trading above 400 range, then we expect further rally towards 424, and downside 393 is a major support for Vedanta. Negative side looping Coforge looks weak at current level. That's it for technical derivative guide.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as you are seeing that in yesterday's session, a good value has been witnessed on the Nifty front. But as per the current scenario, still we are witnessing that 23,500 is currently the near-term resistance where we are seeing the call right positions is holding strongly. But in yesterday's session, after the breakout of 23,400 level, there was a liquidation from the call rider front between 23,300 to 23,500 strike, but the liquidation was on the minor front. Still, the outlook seems to be the positive front. On the downside, the major put at a position say is holding strongly at 23,300 to 23,000 mark, due to which we can expect that the bank strength will be continued. In today's session, we are seeing that gift Nifty is likely to open on a flattish note, almost around 40-50 points on the lower end. But in first half of trading session in today's day, we expect some range one momentum in the market. Once Nifty goes about 23,500 level, then the next possible immediate range for the Nifty will be 23,800 to 24,000 mark, where we are seeing that the next call at a position is getting shifted around that range. While as per the stock specific and sector specific front counter that looks positive in today's session will be Havells, BHEL, Kalyan Jeweler looks positive, while on the negative front, Zydus Life, MGL, and Sonacom looks negative. So that's it from better to front. Thank you.
Good morning. On the news update front, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals of USA has announced the launch of dextroamphetamine saccharate, amphetamine aspartate, dextroamphetamine sulfate, and amphetamine sulfate tablets. So these are the mixed salts of single entity amphetamine product. These are mainly used to treat the attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and it will begin the distribution in May of 2025. The Adderall tablets, which is a trade name for combination of drugs containing these four salts, has achieved annual sales of $422 million, according to the IQVIA sales data for 12-month ending Feb 25. So this is positive for Glenmark Pharma. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Wipro reported its numbers yesterday, and they are below expectations. Revenue on a quarter-on-quarter has degrown by 0.8%. Expectations was of degrowth of 0.5%. EBIT margins came in flattish at 17.3%. During the con call, management said that Q4 started on a positive note. However, the revenues got impacted due to the tariffs. Large SAP project in consumer sector was put on hold for the company. Wipro management has reiterated what TCS management had said, that consumer sector along with the auto manufacturing sector largely has got affected by tariffs, and however pipeline continues to remain strong, and the uncertainties should stabilize soon. So based on the current tariff scenario, company has given a muted guidance for the Q1 quarter as well. So, for while margins are improving for Wipro, sustained revenue growth recovery and large deal ramp ups will be key to the stock's re-rating. For now, we have a neutral rating for the stock. Secondly, Infosys will report its numbers today post market. Street is expecting a 1.4% decline in revenues quarter on quarter, and also contraction in margins as well due to wage hikes. Key would be its guidance for FY26 and the outlook it gives in the current scenario. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, yesterday KFin Technology has acquired one company internationally. They are also in the fund servicing. The size of the company is comparatively smaller, but the growth is very substantial. They had acquired for 51% for 35 million dollar. For the company whole as a EV works out to $63 million, and the revenue for the first half was 8.5 million dollar. So full year, if we annualize, it works out to 17 million, and the valuation works out on the sales basis at 3.7 times. Though the company is not making any profit as of now, but looking at the high growth and future profitability, and the company plan to diversify into international market, that looks positive for KFin Technology. Wari Renewable has reported result yesterday. This is an EPC company of Wari Group, wherein the result was reported very strong numbers, wherein revenue grew by around 74% year on year, and EBITDA margin also expanded. EBITDA came in at 126 crores, up by around 67% year on year. The stock is trading at around 46 times TTM EPS. We had seen a spike in the share price just before the closing of the yesterday trade. So quite possible that we may see some profit booking in the today's morning, but the overall outlook on the company looks positive. So one can accumulate this stock. That's all from us. I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, one can initiate a buy in gold around 95 200 with a stop loss of 94 800, 900 and maintain a target of 95 600 to 95 800, whereby profit taking is expected. Silver, on the contrary, looks weak, selling around 97 500 with a stop loss of 95 500 is recommended. Profit taking is expected. Prices are expected to test 96,000, 95 500 on downside. Also, copper, we are expecting prices to test 838, 835 level on downside. So selling around 844, 845 is recommended with a stop loss of 850. And zinc also, one can sell around 248 with a stop loss of 250. On downside, 246, 245 is the target we are eyeing for. Crude oil looks positive. One can initiate a buy around 5300 with a stop loss of 5240. Upside 54, 5430 is the level where one can take profits. And in natural gas, we are expecting a pullback. So buying around 275 with a stop loss of 265 is recommended. On upside again 285, 290, one should book profits. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.